The Martian is a science fiction film that was released in 2015. The film was directed by Ridley Scott. The screenplay of the film is based on the novel of the same name by Andy Weir. The film revolves around astronaut Mark Watney's struggle for survival after being stranded on Mars. Matt Damon plays the lead role of Mark Watney. A large part of the film takes place on Mars. Mark Watney faces many challenges while trying to survive alone on Mars. The film pays great attention to scientific accuracy and details. The film's visual effects are very impressive. The music is used in a supportive and atmospheric way that reflects the film. The film was shot in various locations to reflect a real Mars environment. The film stars Jessica Chastain, Kristen Wiig, Jeff Daniels, and Chiwetel Ejiofor. The film is one of the best examples of its genre depicting an astronaut's struggle for survival. Mark Watney uses his scientific knowledge and creativity to survive on Mars. Some scenes in the film are fast-paced to maintain tension and excitement. The special effects used in the film accurately depict the Mars atmosphere and events. The film has received positive reviews from a large audience. The film tells a story that emphasizes the courage and resilience of humanity. Mark Watney displays a humoristic attitude while trying to survive alone on Mars. The film successfully presents a realistic thought experiment on life on Mars. The film's image quality and visual effects make viewers feel like they have lived on Mars. Mark Watney tries to make the most of limited resources by using his creativity. The film attracts attention with its thought-provoking structure and messages. The atmosphere and set designs of the film impressively reflect life on Mars. Mark Watney's struggle for survival leaves an emotional impact on the viewers. The film showcases the limits, resilience, and hopeful struggle of humanity. Mark Watney develops new technologies and methods to survive on Mars. The film's screenplay is enriched with flashbacks and parallel storylines. Mark Watney overcomes many physical and mental challenges during his fight for survival. The film offers a successful blend of science fiction and thriller genres. The film's visual effects enhance the impact of the scenes. Mark Watney finds practical and creative solutions to the problems he encounters on Mars. The atmosphere of the film takes viewers to the desolation of Mars. The film's music reflects the emotional tone of the scenes. Mark Watney talks to himself when he is alone on Mars at night. The film's successful visual effects successfully reflect the science fiction atmosphere. Mark Watney makes important discoveries for his mission while surviving on Mars. The film's editing keeps the audience in constant suspense. Mark Watney explores new areas by walking for hours alone on Mars. The film takes a realistic approach to the challenges faced by astronauts. Mark Watney develops his own methods of water production to find sources of water on Mars. The film's ending impressively affects the viewers. Mark Watney finds things worth living for during his time alone in space. The film's music adapts to the emotional atmosphere of the scenes. Mark Watney records his daily life on Mars by shooting video logs while trying to survive. The film shows the audience unexplored areas of Mars. Mark Watney transforms into a hopeful character during his fight for survival. The film's visual effects flawlessly depict the atmosphere of Mars.